Embarking on the journey of love and relationships often unveils layers of complexity we never anticipated. It's a landscape where questions about equality, authenticity, and compassion arise, challenging us to navigate with wisdom and grace. Join me as we explore the intricacies of romantic dynamics, from pondering the fine line between being a hero and maintaining self-worth to unraveling the intricacies of offering help without sacrificing our own needs. Let's delve into these nuances together and discover the profound truths that shape our connections and define our paths to fulfillment. 4. Do you feel sorry for them? Your relationship shouldn't morph into a charity project rooted in pity for your partner. You deserve a connection built on mutual respect and genuine affection, not one where you feel obligated to rescue or fix someone. While lending a helping hand is commendable, reserve romantic entanglements for individuals who meet you on equal footing. Your compassionate nature is a strength. Channel it into areas of your life where it can flourish without compromising your emotional well-being. Embrace relationships that uplift and honor your worth, ensuring that you receive the love and support you rightfully deserve. 3. Do you see yourself as a hero? If the fantasy of being a hero, saving your partner, and relishing in their gratitude consumes your thoughts, it could stem from a deep-seated need to feel essential. Giving, in this context, might become a selfish endeavor if your validation hinges solely on what you offer rather than who you are. Recognize that your worth isn't tied to being someone's savior. You are inherently valuable on your own. Instead of seeking external validation through acts of heroism, cultivate self-worth based on your intrinsic qualities and embrace the notion that you are enough just as you are. If you liked this video, please confirm by clicking the like button. 2. Are you in love with the person or their potential? Selecting a partner demands discernment beyond merely envisioning their potential transformation. It's about embracing their current essence, acknowledging their qualities, and deciding if those resonate with your long-term vision. If you find yourself fixating on molding them into someone they're not yet, it's a red flag. People seldom undergo fundamental changes merely to fit another's mold. Invest in relationships where you cherish the person as they are, not as an unfinished project awaiting your adjustments. Opt for compatibility over hypothetical improvements, fostering a connection built on acceptance and mutual respect. 1. Are we equals? In any healthy relationship, equality is paramount. Imbalances only sow seeds of discontent, leading to mutual misery and unmet needs. Trying to mold a partner to fit some idealized image is a recipe for disaster. People yearn to be loved for their authentic selves, not as projects to be fixed. Despite well-meaning intentions, the perception of being seen as a fixer-upper can breed resentment. Genuine love thrives on acceptance, embracing each other's imperfections and quirks. It's about cherishing the uniqueness of the individual, not trying to shape them into someone they're not. When one partner feels like a project rather than a person, it erodes the very foundation of trust and intimacy. True connection flourishes when both parties are seen as equals, each valued for their intrinsic worth and celebrated for their individuality.